You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words that look somewhat similar, but they have quite a different pronunciation and different meanings. So the top word here is pronounced status. That's in British English, or the Americans say it as status with a flap T that sounds like a D. So status with a stress on the first syllable, the stay syllable, status or status. Now, the bottom word is pronounced as statutes, a stress on the first syllable, and ch sound, not a T sound, so it's not statutes or statutes, no, statutes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.